believe it's morning. I'm alive, but that's the last thing on my mind. Do you believe it's morning? I'm alive, but that's the last thing on my mind.
Y'all see him in the street struggling, young, dumb, and something in the
okay, yeah, I was gonna say, I looked down at it now and I was like,
something. Pumping from sundown to sun up, he hustling. Vision, my nigga, now get in where you fit in. And see prison as just a high cost of living, the life. Ante up, cause if you blow that dice on that OZ, Dorothy ain't going home tonight. That's on everything. Put it on the kids and the white. Been burying my folk ever since they raised the price on the soap. Searching for a quick antidote. More money, no problems to cope.
You believe it's morning. I'm alive, but that's the last thing on my mind. You believe it's morning. I'm alive, but that's the last thing on my mind.
On rainy days, I sit back and count ways on how to get rich. Coolin' with a mean, ill Jamaican bitch. Banana coat matching with the ratchet. Low black weed, sweatpants style. Air Forces acting, jumping in 6 kicks. Lil' Chris talking about the bird. Float through your hood in a mean tense, that's giant. It's like the family that flipped on you for lying. Buried you alive, left your whole crying. We on your floor, look, more dogs. They ain't A either, I hope y'all niggas is on. And when we get there, all my niggas in the mix, yeah, Shalal legs. Diamond got me buying Louis Switch.
Yo, bro, people say the clan was missing since I got dropped off a radio. Overnight, your whole style was bitten in the process. Everybody switched their names like, what you call it, and he fast skin James. It was the guards that repped that. Shark skin, dark skin bitches. Clarkson, Dizzy, left the game dizzy. Ooh, got busy, that dancey shit slid through. We had to stay home, cause that's what we been through.
Roger. Give me that shit, Joker.
Mastermind, got the cash.
Is it coming from the brush pile back here?
Brush pile back there, and then also from...
I'm on the tape line all the way against the woods. I got a guy down. Oh, never mind, I'm out.
I'm alive, but that's the last thing on my mind. You believe it's morning. I'm alive, but that's the last thing on my mind.
Oh.
We're in that fucking bridge.
Oh shit, they're shooting from the bridge.
Oh, go fucking easy, I need you.
Sorry, man.
Does my back look good?
Oh, man.
Your everything looks good.
Awesome, dude.
Hell yeah, bro. I heard you guys over there like, oh, he's taking pictures.
Yeah, we couldn't tell.
Yep. No, Red was right in front of me. I was just taking pictures of players out here today.
All right.
I ran out of paint.
So, we thought so, but we seen you like, what are you doing?
Right, yeah, I'm just chilling out here, hanging out with the enemy.
Hanging out with the enemy.
Don't think you.
No, thank you.
No.